What's up, guys? My name is 𝗧𝒢𝒄𝒊𝒂𝒍𝒊𝒔𝒕-Raleigh. I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina, and today we're doing a gray blending. I am first going to start off with doing a CPR treatment. She's going to sit underneath for 45 minutes. We clarified the hell out of her. And then we're going to make her as gray silver as possible to match her roots. So definitely stay tuned. Also, check out my new sign. It's fabulous. Got a little Ava working hard for the living. Yeah.
Tried sometimes, but you're making me nervous. Now I've realized that I can't live without you. All my friends reassure that it's obvious, and that maybe I'm wasting my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you. Coming to get you. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you.
Are you ready? Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Actually, tilt your head back. Can I look now? All right. Yes.
Wow.
What do you
Wow.
think? Oh, sorry.
That's okay. I love it. I love it.
We nailed it, huh?
Mm-hmm.
One visit, 9 hours, and she's done. She'll just need a toner every once in a while. If some more warmth pops through, we might have to do a few more foils, but I really don't think you will. Purple shampoo is gonna be your best friend. But yeah, you didn't have to live with that line of demarcation, which a lot of people that are ready to go gray, they don't wanna have to do it in years. So, and look, your eyes are popping now, because this is what the color you're supposed to be.
Yeah.
Yay!
I love it. Thank you.
You're so welcome.